Kia ora everybody, Kiwi Woody here. Right, just dropping my parts off to my new fabricator. I'm obviously in the right place, as you can see. Race car here, lovely. Oh, he's a bike man like myself. Nice, nice. It's a drag car, 400 block with, no, 350 block. 400 crank, tubbed as well. Nice. Ooh. Got the gears. So here's our front. Here's obviously the front, kind of what we're aiming for. So all these parts to be welded in, as you can see. And here's our new donors. Now I need a big grill, so it's possibly I might get a Statesman one this week, so look out for that. Otherwise she's Fabrication City. There's our spoiler, and these are the bump rings I'm going to use on the front. So guess I'll get some more pics on the front there, probably weld that hole there. Alright guys, purely an update, but yeah, it's happening.